Hey, good morning, everyone. Man, last week was so unique. I hope you guys followed the strategy. I taught you guys the SMC strategy, but last week was so amazing on GJ, on gold. They were on fire. If you miss it, just go over it on my YouTube channel. And today I'm here to teach you guys and to go a bit higher on the strategy. The first one I drop is like the foundation. Today I want to take it further, which is gonna help a lot of you that are still struggling with entries on those pairs, with any currency pair, for those of you that are still struggling with it. So this is going to help you. Getting so many new subscribers. Thank you very much, guys. I really want to appreciate all of you. And for those of you that are still watching the videos and you're not subscribing, please click on the subscribe button. It's free of charge to subscribe. Click on the like button so that this video can get to as many people as possible. All right, now, so you're welcome to my channel. Yes, I'm Jason YK. My major pair is US 30. My major pair is US 30, as you all know. But for the benefit of those that are asking me for gold and GJ, that's why I decided to be teaching you guys the SMC strategy that is working perfectly on the pair. I've backtested this strategy for 1 year, and it's working perfectly on those two pairs. So that's what I'm giving you guys for free. And I'm sending the signal also to my free Telegram channel. If you're not on that free Telegram channel, you're missing a whole lot. Click on the link below and join it free of charge. Don't just watch the video. Click on the link below and join the free Telegram channel. It's free to join. It's free. We're not charging anything to join the free Telegram channel. So let me take you guys straight to my screen and teach you guys what I need to teach you. If you can see my screen very well, you can see this is gold. I actually analyzed this yesterday. I didn't trade yesterday, Friday. I didn't trade at all. I analyzed this setup yesterday, and let's see what happened on gold. And look at GJ as well. I analyzed GJ as well. This was GJ. When I did live with you guys, I analyzed this during the live. Then the market was coming down. We analyzed it. Now, okay, if the market should come here, that this is where we're going to be taking our entry. And I put the entry, the stop loss, and all. And from here, if you take this trade, you should be able to book the profit here. After hitting the profit here, TP1, the market dropped down and came to this OB again and pick it up. But yesterday, I analyzed this that the market was going to get here, but I didn't take the trade. Unfortunately, the market did not get there. There was a news that dropped the market down. So the strategy I use for this pair, I'm going to teach you guys again today. I'm going to teach it. I'm going to take it to another level. This is going to help you to get a perfect entry on the market. A perfect and a perfect and a perfect entry. I mean, perfect entry. For those of you that are struggling with entries, this is gonna really help you, trust me. So, looking at the chart right now, so I'm gonna be using an empty chart and I'm gonna be heading over to 4 hours straight. I'm gonna be heading over to 4 hours straight. So I'm gonna pick an empty space where I will clear my chart and just give you guys the concept of what I want to teach you all. I'm going to give you the concept right now. So let's take for instance that this is a chart. This is a chart. If you're watching this video, please click on the like button so that I can get to as many people as possible. Subscribe to my channel. You're welcome, guys. For my free Telegram channel, the link is in the description and I'm going to put it in the comment section as well. Click on it and connect with me. All right, let's see this our chart. We all know this is how market move. Let's say this is an uptrend. This is an uptrend and this is the high, right? And we have what? We have our downtrend. We have it. We have our downtrend. We have it like this. We have it like this. I'm gonna go to practical example. I'm gonna go over to practical example for you guys, and you can see that this one is giving us what? Higher lows, right? And this one is giving us what? Higher high, HH. You guys are familiar with it. Let me just make it fast. Trust me. But I will love you guys to please backtest it. No matter what I say, backtest it and confirm it yourself before you start taking trade on it, Now, let's say this is our lower high, LH. If it's coming down, it's lower high. If it's going up, it's higher low and higher highs. This lower high, this is our lower low. This is LL, LL. You guys understand it now? These are low, which is like OB. These are OB or key level or whatever anybody can call it. So this is the only concept you need, guys. This is an uptrend. This is a downtrend. You understand? And what we're going to be working with is 4 hours to 15 minutes, just like I used to tell you guys. H4, if you do your setup on H4, your entry is going to be equals to M15. And if you do your setup on H1, your entry is going to be equals to what? M5. Very simple. And if you are trading DERIV also, you can use this strategy. It's working perfectly on DERIV. It's working on DERIV. I'm actually trading DERIV. Where's the DERIV? Yeah, this is DERIV. This is DERIV. So I took this sell earlier. I'm out of the trade anyway. So that is for DERIV. So if you're trading DERIV, it's actually working on DERIV as well. So this is all you need, guys. If you can understand this concept, higher low, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, this is all you need. Now, how can we now utilize this on the chart? Before we go into practical example, let me show you guys what you need to do and what you need to repeat every day. Every day. If you don't see this, don't trade. If you don't see this, don't what? Don't trade. Now, this is a chart. This is what? An uptrend on 4 hours, right? On 4 hours. This is an uptrend. Now, the market now did what? When we now, on 4 hours, we have this, right? Now, the market now did something like this. 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 Then did something like this on 4 hours. You guys remember what I said, right? Now, if you want to see now, where is the high of this chart I put here? This is the high, right? And if I ask you where is the low, this is the low, right? Now, what are we going to be looking at? We're going to be looking at, this is higher lows, right? And this is higher high. What causes this break? This is the low that caused this break, right? And this low also caused this break here. And this low also caused this break here, right? And this low also did what? Caused this break to the high. So now, we're going to mark out this low. We mark out this low because this is the low that caused this break to the high, right? Now, immediately we have this. You can see that this is our high, right? And the market reverse. When the market reversed, here, and then the market went back up. When the market went back up, what happened? When the market went back up, what happened? The market could not get to this high. So far, this high is not taken out. We are still, let's say this is our H4 or H1. So far, this high is not taken out. This market is retracing, it's reversing. We can call it retracement or reverse. So far this high, even the market can go back like this. So far this high is not taken out. If this high is taken out now, then this is invalid. Then we need to have another high. And then we need to put another BOS for which zone break it. Do you understand? Now when we have this now, the market went back up and then break again. When you now break again, break this again. Now this is now what? On our higher time frame, remember, this is 4 hours. We have what? We have uptrend. And uptrend, what do you need? We are looking for a buying opportunity, right? A buying opportunity. Now, we take note of that. We are looking for a buying opportunity, right? Now, after this one first came here, went back up, could not break this, and another one dropped down here, then we cannot call this place our what? our change of character, CH. This is now our CH here. That's now our what? Our CH, change of character. All these ones, they are BOS. All these are BOS. All these are BOS. All these ones, they are BOS. BOS. Another BOS. We have another BOS. I hope you guys are following. Please, if you've got any question, drop it in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer your question. Trust me. Now, looking at it now, we have our what? Our change of character here. Our change of character here. Now, we can make use of our Fibonacci from here down to the high, and we look for 50% or whatever, you know. Now, all these places, they are very important. All these things you're seeing, because all these are other blogs. They are other blogs, but there are some that are very active. There are some that are just minor. I call it zone for myself. I call it zone. So wherever you see that there are multiple rejection, that one is very strong. Like this area now, the market came back here. If the market reacted here now, you know we already have change of character, right? If the market reacted here as it went up, came down like this and give us like this, then this will be our entry. You understand? This will be our entry. But now the market kept coming down and came back to where? To this OB. To this key level again. Came back to this key level. And then we have multiple. After this change of character, we have another what here? We have another break of structure here. Break of structure. Break of structure here. After the change of character here, we have our break of structure here. And the market came back to the OB, right? The market came back straight to the OB. After coming back straight to the OB, what do you think happened? This is still 4 hours, guys. This is still 4 hours. We have something like this, right? There are rejection here. It can be multiple or single. Then what happened here? Then we have a break above here. This happened on gold this week, and I'm going to show you guys. So here, we have our CH, change of character here for the buy. After we have this change of character for the buy, which is already our trend, then we do what? We change the time frame to 15 minutes. We change it to 15 minutes. After changing your time frame to 15 minutes, then you will now wait for this market. Let's say we've changed it to 15 minutes. And this is our imbalance candle area. This is our imbalance candle. All this one you see, it's imbalance. If you check gold, you will see that it happened on gold. This is our imbalance. Let me label it. This is imbalance. Yeah, this is our imbalance candle. That one is imbalance. Now, coming to 15 minutes, what do we now need to do? We now wait for the market. You go to 15 minutes. That's where we take our entry. For 4 hours, for 1 hour, you take it on 5 minutes. You now wait for the market to retrace. It can retrace. You can have multiple internal structure, break of structure. You can have it like this, but this is going to be your entry point. And if the market gets here, what are we now going to be looking for? We'll just put it like this. I don't like using pending order, just like I told you guys before. I don't like using pending order because the market can come down massively and hit your stop loss and start moving in your favor. You know, I just put it like this. Your TP1 can be around here. This one, this high, your TP2 can be at the top here. Your TP2 can be at the top here. Do you understand? So what do we now need to do? Is it that if the market gets here, we're going to jump in? No. If you're on my live this week, you will see what I said on GJ. That you should wait for the momentum. And when the momentum shifted to our direction, what happened? We entered the market and we strike and we're able to make enough money on it. On GJ, the video is on my YouTube. Go and watch it. On my Telegram as well. Go and see it there. So then we have what? If the market now come on 15 minutes, and the market can decide to be performing some drama here, but immediately you see the momentum shift like this, the bullish. This is going to be your entry point. This is going to be your entry point. We are going to go to practical example on the chart. We're going to go to practical example on the chart. This is going to be your entry. This is going to be your entry, guys. That's your entry, and you just wait for the market to do what? To go up. You just push up, go like this, go like this. You can break even around here, go like this until the market eats your take profit. This is as simple as ABC. Please take a screenshot and study this very well. It's working on GJ, it's working on gold, it's working. On US30, it's working 50 to 55% of the time. Because without CNBC, you can't get it perfectly on US30. That's my major pair. I love it. That's my major pair. So it's working perfectly on all those pairs I mentioned. But US30 is 50 to 55%. Straight to the chart right now, I'm going to be using gold and GJ, for example. Gold and GJ. I'm going to be using the two, for example. So let's go over it. This is our GJ. This is my GJ chart. Let me clear everything I have. Okay, I don't have much noise on it. So if you look at this GJ now, let's go to daily and check the overview of the market. Tomorrow, I'm going to drop weekly outlook for you guys for gold, for GJ, and US30. Tomorrow, Sunday. Today is 23rd. Today is Saturday. So I just want to give you guys this today so that you can actually eat it and use it for the weekend, So that's it. Now, look at what I said. Let me delete this thing on my chart. This is a practical example, This is a practical example. If you look at it now, you will see that we are having higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Take it or leave it. Even from here, it is. So this is an uptrend, right? This is an uptrend. And we have the high here. We have the high here. This is a daily. I've gotten my picture on the daily. Let me go to 4 hours. Let me go to 4 hours so that some people will not be like, no, we use 4 hours now. So that is the highest high, right? And this is what? The lowest low. This is the lowest low on this chart. But do you think this is more important than this? No. And this, if you look at all this liquidity here, you can see that this one, we have it like twice, right? So I'm going to take this. I'm going to be working with this. And this one too, you can see that this area, we have it multiple times, right? So I'm going to be working with this as well. I'm going to be working with these two key levels. So I'm going to be working with this and this, and not this and this, until the market break out of this zone and go off. So now, looking at this, if you look at it very well, you can pick up your chart. You can pick it, you can change it to line chart in case you could not see it very well. All this, you can see. Can you see it on line chart? Can you see what happened? Drop, go like this, like this, like this, like this. You can see it zigzag, 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 and it was going up, which is an uptrend, right? Perfect. Now, let me take it back to the candle and let me use this. I don't know if you're going to be having gold, because I just want us to have something, Now we have this, 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 right? We have this break, we have this, we have this, we have this. Let me see here. We have this and we have this high, right? And the market could not break here, drop again. Now, to save time, guys, please, you need to really backtest this. We have these words. We have the change here. So we have from here, we have something like this. We have it like this. We have this. This one went back up, dropped down here. Then what happened? The market was just going. Let's just say the market went up, go like this, went like this, dropped like this, went like this, right? Now, what do we have? Let's now mark all the zone, because we can't start it from the back. We're going to be wasting time, just like what I teach you guys, Now, what are the key here? This is our eye. Looking at this area now, we are not going to that down again. So we're going to be working with this area. This is an OB. You can call it key level. This is another key level, but let's wait. Let's mark it first. Now, if you look at it very well, you will see that we have what? We have a push to the upside here, a push here, we have it back, we have break of structure here, we have DOS here. This is 4 hours, guys. This is 4 hours. Now, after having this, the market went up and did what? Come down here. After the market came down here, what happened? It went back up again, could not break this again, came back but could not break here. If not, we would have gotten a change of character here, but the market could not break here. So went back up and the market was dancing here. So automatically we have what? We have our change of character in this place. These are CH. These are CH. Change of character or coach. That's it. That's our change of character here. Yeah, that's our change of character there. The market came down here, After coming down here, the market went back up, right? Can you see that? Now, after the market, that's how I was able to project this sell for yesterday that you guys saw when we started the video. So after breaking this area, we have our change of character here, right? Now, after getting the change of character, we are expecting the market to come back here and tap us in and drop it, right? So then what happened? You drop it down to 15 minutes, where we're going to be looking for our entry. Now, on the 4 hours, we've already marked out all this. On 15 minutes now, we're going to do the same thing, guys. We're going to be doing the same thing on 15 minutes. This is our H4. This is our H4. Now, on 15 minutes, let's see what we have. Still the same value. Came down here, went back up, came down here. Came down here, we have our break of structure, break of structure, break of structure. This is the eye, right? This is the eye. Then we have this, we have it back here. Then we have it break here. This is our change of character here. This is our change of character here. This is a change of character here. Then the market should come back and tap us in here. Do you guys understand what I mean? Now, let me just make it simpler. Let me make it simpler. Break of structure on 15 minutes. This is on 15 minutes now. We have it here. Should I make this? Should I make it like that so that you guys can see it? Yes. We have our break of structure here. All right. And we have another break of structure here. We have another break of structure here. What caused this break? This is it that caused this break. Now, after this one caused this break, then the market did what? Came down and then went back up and come here. Can you see a break here? This is 15 minutes now, change of character on 15 minutes. Here, this place. Can you see that there was a break here on this one? There was a break here, right? Guys, please, I need you to backtest this thing. There was a break here. There was a break here. Let me zoom, let me maximize my screen so that you can see it very well. It's just a very simple strategy, that you guys can actually work on. You can work with it and you will surely be making profit. For GJ, for gold and other currency pair. Then we have it here, right? This is the eye now on 15 minutes. This is the eye. M15I. These are M15I. These are what? M15 high. Yeah, you get it? M15I. That's our M15I there. And then the market went what? We have our change of character here. So we'll be waiting for the market to come back to this origin to tap us in and then we drop it down, right? So because after change of character, of course, we need to drop it down, right? So our entry is going to be somewhere around here. After this break of structure, the market went back up a bit, could not break this, went back a bit, come down, and then did what? Come here. This is our entry. This is our entry here. So with this high, this particular high, this one is on Tuesday. This particular high is our entry for it, guys. This is it. Can have it like this. And our stop loss is going to be above this place, above here. And our take profit should be targeting around this H4 change of character, this place. This is like what? 1 to 2.5 raised to reward. To be targeting here, H4. And what happened, guys? Can you see it? The market even went further down. Now, moving forward, we are done with this side, right? We are done with this side. Now, let's work with what happened yesterday. What happened yesterday on 15 minutes? We have our high around this area. We have multiple accumulation here, multiple liquidity accumulation here. We have this. I call it key level. For me, I call them key levels. I call them key levels. Let's say we have something like this, multiple accumulation here. The market was failing to break above. This is our major level. The market was failing to break here. And this is our major what? Our major lows. I can call it minor. Let me call it minor low. Minor low. And minor high. Minor high. Minor highs and minor low. Yeah. So let's have it. We have this drop, right? We have this, we have this, we have this. So we have our break of structure here. Let me take it. Let's just clone one and bring it down. We have what? We want to work with this. We are not working with this. We want to work with this and get what happened here. We have our what here? Our change of character here. For those that want to buy this, we have our change. This is going to be change of character. For those that really want to go for buy here, this is going to be change of character here. We have this change of character here. This is change of character. Everybody have their own ways, their own ways. This is change of character because we have a break here. Do you guys understand? The market was failing here. Accumulation, a lot of accumulation was there, a lot of accumulation was there. This is itself. This is our change of character here. This place, because this place got broken. This place got broken. This is our change of character. The market was dropping. We have a change of character here. Why? Because the market broke out from here. And then what? We'll be waiting for it to come back here. So we'll be waiting for the market to come back here. But the market could not get here. So the market did not tap us in on this trade. So we are out. We did not take this. Except you want to risk more. Because if we are taking this, this should be the major entry for this market. According to our strategy, this should be the major entry. And then we do what? We take it up, back. We take it back up to the upside, to that side. This should be the major entry. But the market will not get here. So we miss this. But if you're taking a higher risk, you can see after this break of structure, the market came back here, and there was multiple rejection around here. So you can risk it from here, can risk it from here and you take it up, So that is it. Yeah, it's not everything, there are some times that we need to also use our own mindset, like, okay, let me just try this, let me try this. Now, after this was going, we have change of character, the market went up, this happened, and then what happened? There was a break of structure here. There was a break of structure here on 15 minutes. There's a break of structure here, right? We have this break as well. Let me take this, clone this. We have this break of structure as well. I'm not sure I can do gold, guys, because I don't. This video is already getting longer. So you guys can just please backtest it. Backtest it. We have this change of character. We have this break of structure as well. Now let's look at it. After this break of structure, after this break, then what happened? The market tapped here and went up straight, very high. And the next break of structure is what? Is here, very high, very, very high. This is the next break of structure. And this is the high here on this particular trade. This is the high. This is the high. And what caused this break? It was this zone. Then what happened? The market dropped massively. The market dropped massively and then went back up and then did what? If this high is not taken out, now it will have been valid. But this high got what? We took it out. We took out this high. After this drop, we took out this what? The high. And then the market broke here and came here. So definitely we have another break of structure here. We have another break of structure here. We have another break of structure here. This place. We have another break of structure here. And then the market came down. The market came down here. You know, this should have been a change of character. But what happened? The market went back up and broke this. So automatically violated this. Now, we now did what? We have another break of structure here. We now have another break of structure here. At this point, we now have another break of structure here. The market came down and went up straight. Market went up straight and then did what? And tap into this origin, which is our major high, minor high. And then the market give us what? Change of character here. The market gave us change of character here. Because I actually analyzed this trade yesterday. So the market gave us, if you look at all this accumulation, here, the market gave us change of character here at this point. This is our change of character here. This week, this one that came down, and then we have this. This is our change of character. I hope you guys are following, please. This is our change of character. This is our change of character here. This one. And then the market went back up. And what are we looking for? We are waiting for the market to just tap us in and we drop it down. So we are waiting for it from here. This will have been the entry from here. And we're going to target this or the H4. Where is our H4 change of character? This place. So this is going to be our targets here. This level, our H4. TP1 can be here. This is our TP1. And we can work with this level as TP2, this level. So this level can be our TP1. This level can be our TP1 or TP1 or TP1. This level can be TP1. Why this level will be TP2? Why this level will be TP2? This level will be TP2. TP2. This level will be the TP2. And our stop loss will just be. Remember, this is minor high. This is our major high. This is our major high. This is minor high. And there was a news yesterday, and when the market went, it was ranging here, and then what happened? The market dropped it. The news dropped it down massively. Massively. So can you guys see it now? Can you guys see it? So this is just the simple way for this strategy. Please, I beg you guys, today is Saturday. I'm going to drop this video like right now. So please backtest this and backtest it and test it on gold. We are not able to do gold right now because of the time, right? Because of the time, we could not do the gold. So please backtest it on gold. Tomorrow, I'm going to drop the weekly outlook for you guys, what you guys should be expecting from the market next week. All right, till I come your way again, this is Omo Jason YK. If you know you like this video and you want more, click on the like button. Please don't just watch this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much to everyone that are just subscribing because I'm getting a lot of subscribers now. Thank you very much, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the like button. Share with your friend. Drop your comment if there's anything you want me to do. If there's anything you want me to improve on. If there's any video you guys want me to drop, please just drop it in the comment section. Until I come your way again, this is Omo Jason YK. Peace out. See you when I see you. Always remember what our motto: keep it simple. Bye for now. Peace.
You told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong.